Every day, millions of people travel to and from their houses to work. They pollute the sky, and with the overpopulation crisis we now face, the impact of these combustion-based forms of transportation is even more pronounced. The pollution caused by the system of transportation we have now are the leading contributors to climate change. The increase in the world temperature will lead to droughts and a high demand for water. The lack of water will cause a lack of food, as farmers struggle to water their plants. The more cars and planes we have will cause a huge demand for fuel, which is what has led to the energy crisis we have today. Every mile we travel on this earth using the conventional modes of transportation will only hurt the earth even more. What we need is a more sustainable and efficient form of transportation. The solution is for mass implementation of an automated electric commuter aircraft called the Skyway Airbus. Now humanity will no longer pollute the earth with gas-guzzling machines. This aircraft will be able to land and take off from anywhere on earth. People will naturally begin favoring the Skyway Airbus because it is much more flexible, faster, and more efficient. Imagine living in Shah Alam but working in Jakarta. By using this new mode of transportation, people will be able to live further away from their workplaces, cities will become less crowded, demand for fuel will decrease, and most importantly, we will be able to begin repairing the damage dealt by global warming. It is electric, and because of that, will have little to no impact on the environment as it is much more silent and has zero emissions. It is also automated, allowing for more of these planes to be built without needing to train more pilots. Furthermore, it is able to communicate with other planes to ensure that it does not crash into one another.